There's fish. Oh man, that is a huge fish. Stay on there, buddy. Stay on there. Stay on there. We just got 4-pound line here. Stay on there, buddy. Hello everybody and welcome to By His Grace Fishing. If this is your first time here, please subscribe below, hit that notification bell, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Today we're on a new creek. I've never fished it before, so let's see what we can get. There's fish. That right there, my friends, is a big old rock bass. Well, you really got that hook in there, didn't you? Let's get some pliers to try to get that out of you. Come on here, little buddy. Let us get this hook out of you here. Thank you for that beautiful fish, Lord. There's fish. Lord, thank you for that beautiful bluegill. Let's see if we can get us another bait here. There's a bite. Missed him. Oh, we had that one. See if we can get back over there. There's a bite right there. Got him. Another nice little rock bass. Let go of our lizard there. Thank you for that beautiful fish, Lord. There's a bite right there, I believe. Oh, we missed him. There's fish. Lord, thank you for that beautiful fish. See if we can get us another one. This is an awesome lizard right here, I can tell you right now. There's a bite right there already. We just had one. Oh, we missed him. There's a bite. Got him. Lord, thank you for that beautiful fish. See if we can get us another one. Done got him. Oh, we missed him. There he is. There he is. Nice little smallmouth. Nice little smallmouth. Oh man, that's a nice little smallmouth. It's a nice little smallmouth right there. Thank you for that beautiful fish, Lord. See if we can get us another one. For some reason, these fish are up on this flat bottom. They're not in the deep this morning. They're on this shallow flat. Must be some bait fish coming up in here. Going up to this shallow area here. Let's get up in the shallower water. There's a bite. There he is. Thank you for that beautiful fish, Lord. There's fish. Oh man, that is a huge fish. Stay on there, buddy. Stay on there. Stay on there. We just got 4-pound line here. Stay on there, buddy. Oh man, that is a big old smallmouth. Oh man, he came off. Oh man, that right there was disappointing. Thank you for that fish, Lord. Thank you for that fish, Lord. Oh man, that was a nice fish. That was a nice fish. Well, let's try for another one. It's the only thing we can do. When you lose something like that, all you can do is try again. We were gonna have a hard time getting him in here anyways, but it would have been nice. It would have been nice. Lord bless us with another one. Even if we don't get it in. There's a fish. There's a fish. It's another nice smallmouth. Nowhere near as big as that other one. Lord, thank you for that beautiful smallmouth. Thank you for that fish, Lord. There's another one. Oh, we missed him. Lord bless us with another fish. There's one right there. Oh, that's a tank right there. That is a tank. Oh man, that is a tank right there. That is a tank. It's not as big as that other one that got off, but that is a nice fish. We're gonna have to land him pretty quick. Come on, we're gonna have to land you pretty quick, buddy. Come on, get up here. Lord, thank you for that beautiful fish. I'm not gonna say that that ain't the same fish. I'm gonna have to look at the camera and see. Because he looked the same. I could be wrong, but we'll see. Let's try to get out here and get us another one real quick before we head to work. We done got another one. Is it a bluegill this time? It is. It's a nice bluegill. Thank you for that beautiful fish, Lord. Well, I wish we could have got that one fish in, because that was a nice fish. Man, that was a nice fish. There's another one. Oh man, this is another nice fish. Another nice fish. Come on, get up here pretty quick, buddy. He has got a big old bluegill in him. Thank you for that beautiful fish, Lord. Well, everybody, that's pretty much about it. I had a good time. I hope you had a good time. We caught several nice smallmouth. We lost one huge smallmouth. Today, the bait that we were using is the Moondog Bait Company. It's their micro lizard. This is the second bait that I've tried from them. I've got several more to try out also. This lizard right here, as of right now, is my go-to lizard for any type of creek fishing because it's small enough. We were catching bluegill, rock bass, all the way up to 4-pound smallmouth. This is a super awesome bait, and I will definitely be ordering more of these in multiple colors. If you want to check them out, go to moondogbaitcompany.com and give them a try. Thank you for watching. God bless.